So welcome to another video. We're going to see how you can check your battery health in your HP laptop, so we just get on with it. Please, if you like what we do, kindly like, share our videos and subscribe to our channel. So on your Google search, type in HP Support Assistant. So you click on it. When it comes up, click Download HP Support Assistant. We already have it in this laptop, so we just proceed and get on with it. So when you have downloaded your HP Assistant, open it and you would see some configuration and details about your PC, your laptop or your notebook, depending on what you are using. So when you are on HP Support Assistant dashboard, click Troubleshooting and Fixes. On the next opening, head over to Diagnostics and click Battery Check. As you can see, the battery test has commenced. HP Battery Check is testing both the primary and secondary battery, if your device is equipped with secondary battery. So the test is now in progress. So let's see how it unfolds. It will take a while for this to be complete. As you can see, you see the battery. The battery status is an indicator of how well the multiple cells of the battery are charging and discharging. An OK status indicates that the battery is functioning correctly. You can expand the battery check. So primary battery charge of 80% is OK. So that's how. Let's get an advanced information of the battery status. Click Advanced Information. You can see more of it here. The battery configuration, the cells, voltage, manufacturers, the battery age, serial number, temperature, the full capacity of the charge, remaining capacity, AC power and stuff like that. So that is basically how to check your battery life of your HP laptop. So once again, thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.